Is the data migrated from another system incompatible with Salesforce, causing inconsistencies and errors, impacting data accuracy and usefulness? And does the data quality deteriorate over time due to various factors? Explore the best practices for maintaining data quality in Salesforce Post-Data Migration in this video. Implemented Data Governance Plan. A data governance plan ensures accurate and consistent data. It defines roles, establishes standards and policies, and implements quality controls. Regularly clean and validate data. The data ensures accuracy and relevance. This includes checking for duplicates, correcting incorrect data, and removing obsolete data. Use data quality tools to identify and fix issues in Salesforce, data cleansing, deduplication, and validation tools. Monitor data quality. Regularly monitor data quality to identify and address issues, such as through dashboards, assessments, and established processes. Train users on data management. Training users on proper data management and entry can prevent quality issues. Monitor and optimize data architecture. Regularly monitoring and optimizing your data architecture can help ensure that data is properly structured and organized for optimal performance. Unleash the benefits. Implementing the above will improve the data integrity and accuracy in a sustainable way, leading to better data organization and management in the long run, making the Salesforce data migration a resounding success. Are you looking for professional data migration services? Minuscule Technologies is a renowned Salesforce expert providing consulting, implementation, and integration services to customers worldwide. Reach out to sales@minusculetechnologies.com to evaluate synergies.